Today we're in the new Subaru Crosstrek, and what we want to do is show you how to set up wireless Android Auto. So let's start by going on the infotainment screen. So if you click the little phone button down here in the bottom right corner, then you've got Manage Devices, go ahead and select Add. Then this is when we'll go back to the phone. So you'll see the Settings menu in your phone, so go ahead and select Settings. And then the first one is going to be Connections. So if you click that, third one down is going to say Bluetooth. So go ahead and click on Bluetooth. And then it is auto scanning. So we'll go all the way to the bottom here if you have other devices, and you'll see Crosstrek. So go ahead and select Crosstrek. It's going to give you a pin on the screen and on your phone. So if those match, go ahead and select Pair. Now it can take a second to connect sometimes, but once it goes, it'll ask if you want to start Android Auto. So we'll click Yes on there. Allow access to messaging, we'll allow that, and allow access to my contacts as well. So go ahead and click Allow on both. And then in just a second here, it will connect to the device. Now it will connect every time you get into the vehicle. You only have to do this one time in order for it to connect to your new Subaru Crosstrek. So sometimes it can take a second, and then once it does connect, you'll have your music in here, you'll have your maps or any apps that pair with the Android Auto. So again, you don't have to connect this just the one time, and then you can use it on the screen.